Welcome to Global Engineering. My name is Sal, and I aim to present to you the Global Engineering Strategy for 2012-2013. This strategy is an ever-evolving one and is not housed at national office. Instead, it is chapters and city networks that are shaping the strategy and driving our learning. With your leadership, we can further strengthen our understanding of the engineering system. The global engineering definition is an example of this evolving understanding. It is rooted in international development, but the concept has ever evolved since we've started engaging with the engineering system in 2003. Now, global engineering is not limited to international development and serves to build a profession which can add human value to a global system. This definition comes from a variety of influences, including older global engineering definitions from the network, and from other organizations and stakeholders attempting to accomplish similar goals. First is a quote by a professor from the University of Vermont, which touches on the movement behind global engineering. He describes engineers as global leaders who are decision makers. They actively shape the future with proven technical engineering ability, as well as creative, cost-effective, and innovative management of the complex social, economic, environmental, and communications aspects of modern engineering projects around the world. The definition that we've been using describes global engineers as those who can combine technical competencies with non-technical ability, fostering knowledge, skills, and attitudes to adequately address complex 21st century challenges. Global engineers contribute positively to society, both locally and internationally. They pursue complex social challenges with a collaborative problem-solving approach that stitches together multiple disciplines in a sophisticated way. And they connect the community through continued learning and purposeful leadership that drives the profession forward. Lastly, a definition developed by the University of Waterloo chapter. Global engineering is defined as the practice of seeking out and developing awareness and understanding of the greater consequences of design. Our definition of global engineering and our theory of change will continue to evolve as it should as we continue to learn and engage in fruitful discussions that shape our understanding of the system, the different stakeholders involved, and what is required of engineers living and working in a more globalized world. So how are we promoting global engineering? A simple version of our theory of change shows the different intervention points available when we want to interact with our agent, the engineer or the person who wants to be an engineer. Our hypothesis is that global engineers possess knowledge, skills, and attitudes that make them distinct, which can be learned, acquired, and inspired. We have three interaction points: before students attend university, during their university education, and as practicing engineers. The global engineering theory of change breaks down our approach into three venture areas. Most of our work in the past has been at the university level, influencing university engineering education. Global engineering curriculum partnerships aim to change the education system to graduate global engineers. In this venture area, the pilots being tested are improving capacity of global engineering chapter teams through the GE Ninja training, and establishing multi-year partnerships with engineering faculties to create sustainable curriculum change. We are looking to formalize curriculum partnerships with faculties, while increasing the level of curriculum innovation across all chapters. Our current understanding is that universities need unique strategies that align with unique engineering faculty characteristics. Our strategy therefore needs to be tailored to their unique needs and take advantage of their unique assets. We are exploring work with engineering industry as well. What is EWB's role in influencing the engineering industry? What is the best practice to do so? And how can EWB use existing relationships with industry to influence how engineering is practiced and how it impacts the world? Global Engineering Outreach Venture Area is focused on changing all stakeholders' attitudes towards engineering. The two major pilots in this venture area are, first, engaging partners in our outreach with the Western Canada Global Engineering Scholarship, and the second is empowering and scaling grassroots innovative messaging through National Engineering Month. Our hypothesis is that by influencing engineering outreach to carry global engineering messages, public perception will shift to recognize the role of engineers in service to society. We have played many different roles in the path we've taken to reach where we are today. The most powerful role the global engineering team can take in our work to create system change in the engineering profession is the role of the facilitator. We can't change engineering alone. We can't graduate global engineers alone. and we can't change the definition of engineering and the way the public perceives engineers alone. We belong in a greater system of actors and institutions. We work with universities and faculties, industry, the public, and professional associations, serving as a facilitator for discourse that will drive global engineering ideas forward. How do we best create lasting change in the system then? 1. We can combine resources, strategic relationships, and passion to identify opportunities to create change. 2. We look longer than the immediate. Set multi-year strategies and identify our role within them. Our approach is not uniform across Canada. This requires a large group of social entrepreneurs who are constantly innovating and testing new things tailored to partners and actors within the system. Global engineering is made up of these focus areas. And different GE teams work on different parts of the puzzle. Within each piece is a wide variety of attributes which build global engineering. These focus areas are linked together. As members of the global engineering team who have the capacity to create truly amazing change, you are joining a movement in which EWB is combining the voices and knowledge of people from coast to coast. By contributing to the learning and evolving conversation, we can both strengthen the movement and play an active role in unlocking the potential of the engineering profession.